Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about improvements this year, and there's a lot apparently coming up. And one of the things that you might have noticed is when you get Windows updates and you're about to shut down your PC, you're stuck in a moment where you have the possibility to update and restart, update and shut down, but you don't have the option to just shut down or just restart without installing the update immediately. And so you're kind of, stuck if you want to go to bed and it's late at night and you're tired. And then you hit that, I got to update and shut down if I want to shut down the PC. And it happened to me a few times where there was no other option. And I would just simply leave the computer on and it's like, the hell, tomorrow. And very often when you used the update and shutdown, it just didn't shut down. That's the other reason I left my PC on most of the time because it would just restart the computer anyways. So this is an annoyance that kind of kept us trapped in, yeah, okay, I'm going to apply the updates and then I'm going to shut down the PC and then I'm going to have to wait for all of that to happen. Well, now they are making sure that, first of all, not only do we have update and shutdown, update and restart, they've added shutdown and restart without having to install any updates. This once was part of the shutdown and restart options in Windows, Windows 10, for example. And it disappeared at some point because it was like, oh, you want to force the update anyways. And now it's coming back. And also, Microsoft does say that they are making sure that the update and shutdown really shuts down your PC. So improvements there too. And the Windows updates as they're preparing us also for the, you will be able to postpone for as long as you want updates on Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.